everybody, I'm excited to have partnered with Cricut, who's sponsoring this video, to show you 3 really simple DIY projects. It's been super fun playing around with the Cricut. My girls who are 9 and 12 absolutely love it, and I can't believe how many projects you can do. Anything from iron-on t-shirts, to bags, to creating personalized mugs, to puzzles, to cards. It kind of does it all, and for someone who's not that tech savvy like myself, it's actually very easy to use. So today I'm going to do 3 projects and work you through it. The first one is a tote bag, because everybody is carrying a tote bag these days and it's so cute, and so thought we'd do something personalized on the tote bag. The second thing is for the home, because of course I have to have something for the home, so on a pillow. So we'll create something on a pillow, and this is good to do with something like I've had these for a while and kind of want to change it up. And then the third is just a simple picture that can be placed anywhere in your home. So I'm going to walk you through a little bit of the steps of how we did that and how easy it is and the before and afters. Okay, so the first project with the Cricut is super easy. Again, we've got the cute tote, which this is actually, you can get a Cricut tote. I like it because it has the black handles. And if you want to go really simple, is what I did is got these iron-on designs. So my one daughter loves anything to do with donuts, so we're going to do a donut one for her. And my youngest, anything unicorn, we're going to do unicorns for her. So I'll show you how it's done. All right, so the first project is the tote bag, and what we're going to do is use the Cricut iron for that. I've already got the decal, which I showed you, so you want to look at the package instructions for how long and also the temperature. So we've set it for the temperature of 340 Fahrenheit. The green button went off. Now I'm going to just place it on with some medium pressure and hit the Cricut button for about 50 seconds. So after the 50 seconds, I took it off. Now we're going to carefully flip the bag over and put it on for about another 15 seconds. So wait a couple minutes for it to cool after that, and then slowly start to peel it off. So you end up with this super cute personalized tote bag. You could add your child's name to it. This would be really cute for birthday parties to give us like tote bags, or for gifts, or really anything at all. So that was our first project. Simple, easy, and beautiful. All right, for our second project, we're gonna do toss pillows. As a designer, I'm a big believer in changing up your toss pillows seasonally, and this is an easy and fun and affordable way to do that and come up with something really custom. So I've gone on the Cricut design space and chose the image, and then you can customize the size. The next thing you're gonna want is to choose the color and your actual paper that you're using, and then you wanna have the Cricut mat that we'll put it on before we put it in the machine. So you've chosen your paper. You're going to put it with the shiny side down onto the board. Then we're gonna hit this button here. And then when this beeps, we're gonna hit, or flashes I should say, hit that, and then it will start cutting for us. Okay, so we've printed out our design. We've got our pillow that we're gonna use. You can look online depending on what the material is and fabric choice to know how long you're gonna have to have it on there with the easy press. So this one said about 15 seconds, so we heated up beforehand. Now I'm gonna take it, press the button, and just like kind of you would an iron. Over top, the easy press for 15 seconds. Then after that, we're gonna flip it over, do the other side for 15 seconds, let it cool, and then we'll peel it off and we'll have the finished product. And here's our finished product of the pillow. Again, there are a ton of different designs and colors and things you can choose from to really personalize it and make it your own. And the next project, again, about changing up your home decor. Sometimes we forget about changing our art, and art can be sometimes a little pricey. Well, this is a really fun and creative way to do it. So what I'm gonna do is choose a print that I love. I love sort of this leaf, really simple motif, print it here on the Cricut Maker, and just add it to a frame. This simple design that I printed out that I love, that I think is beautiful for this time of year. And then we're gonna put it in a simple frame like that. So I'll show you the after. And there you go, you've got a personalized piece of art that you could again change in your house or give as a gift. That was really simple and fun to make. Thank you so much to Cricut for sponsoring this video. And if you want to learn more about the Cricut and be able to do your own projects, I've provided some links below.